welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva, and happy Valentine's Day to all of you, and a special happy Valentine's Day to my one and only cameraman.
Thank you, Diva, and happy Valentine's Day to you and to all your subscribers.
Oh, how nice. All right, well, this is going to be a quick video today, but before we get started, most of you that follow me know that I like dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. Well, the cameraman knows I like dark chocolate too. So what did I get when I got up this morning? A chocolate heart, a Ghirardelli chocolate bar. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, a bag of Dove chocolate hearts. Another bag of Dove chocolate, dark chocolate. And another bag of dark chocolate hearts. So I think I'm all set for a while. And what did you get, cameraman?
Let me see. Dark chocolate.
The cameraman got Godiva dark chocolate because he likes Godiva. Who doesn't like Godiva? And oh, the cameraman always gives me a practical present. He gave me ink for my printer, which I really need. So anyway, hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And today I'm going to make chocolate cherry amaretto dip. Dipping cookies in that amaretto dip. Thumbs up for that. So let's get started. Are you ready, cameraman?
Proceed.
Alrighty. First thing, and this is super easy, 8 ounces of cream cheese in a bowl. Next, we're going to put a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar in there. Now comes the good part. This is amaretto. Amaretto, world's famous Italian liqueur, it says. We're going to put in, it's not a lot, just 2 tablespoons of the amaretto in there. What does this smell like? Does it smell like almond, cameraman?
I don't know.
It smells good.
I don't drink it. It's only for cooking.
I don't drink it either, but boy, does it sure smell good. What does it say on here? It has a velvety taste. Oh yeah, I was right. And a fragrant almond aroma. And it's been handed down from generation to generation, never changed. Ooh. It says it can be even served on the rocks. You can put it in your coffee, in an international cocktail, and very good over vanilla ice cream and on Italian panna cotta dessert. So there's a lot of things you can do with this amaretto. Right now I'm putting this aside. I'm going to take my hand mixer and I'm going to mix this all together. Going slow because I don't want the powdered sugar to go flying all over the place. There we go. Does it smell good? Not a drinker, but I don't mind something like that in a dip. Delicious. You're gonna have some of this, cameraman?
Naturally.
Of course. Oh, look how nice and creamy it's coming. So if you have any plans for today, put them in the description box under the comments. That's looking good. Cameraman's a little under the weather. What's the matter, cameraman?
Think I have a head cold.
Oh, at least it's not the flu. At least we hope. It's just a head cold. So the cameraman is staying home tonight to rest. And I'm going over to my son's house to bring little Valentines to my 2 grandsons. Maybe if my son's good, he'll get a little something too. I already gave them to my other grandsons when they were here on Sunday. So cameraman and I aren't even spending the night together, but that's okay. We're retired, so we're spending the day together. Right, cameraman?
Correct.
He needs his rest, and I don't want to get sick. I'm having surgery next week. If I get sick, they won't do my surgery. All right, so I have all this Diva, mixed. Now I'm going to add to this 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chip morsels, and they're dark, of course, semi-sweet. And what I did is I took maraschino cherries, and you're going to need 1/3 cup of them, no stems on them, and I cut them up into quarters. I'm going to put those in there, and then I am going to fold it all together, mix it with my spatula. Oh boy, does this look good. Check this out, cameraman. Look at this.
Let me get a close-up of that.
Stirring this
Diva.
around. You should see what this smells like with the cherries, the chocolate, the amaretto. Oh my gosh. Give me a big spoon. You got it? All right, so let me mix all this up. Now, this is a dip that you serve with your favorite cookies, or a cookie that obviously would go nicely with this dip. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little dish and I'm going to scoop the dip into that little bowl. Mmm. Yummy. Now, is this easy or what? Perfect for not only Valentine's Day, any time of you want a nice dessert for a special occasion. Look at this. Alrighty. Now, like I said, you can serve this with any kind of cookies you like. For those of you that are crazy about Oreos, you can put Oreos around there. If you like, vanilla wafers. What I like these famous chocolate wafers. These have been around forever. People make those cakes out of them with the whipped cream in the middle. So I think it would be nice to put these chocolate wafers around there. Chocolate wafers are very thin. They're very fragile. A few of them broke in the box, so I'll put the whole ones around there. Woo, quite a few broke in the box. Here we go. Okay. And just for a little garnishment, I saved a cherry with a stem, and I'm gonna put the cherry on top. Alrighty. So, what do you think? Think it looks yummy? I think it's a perfect dessert for tonight. What do you think, cameraman?
It'll be yummy in my tummy.
Yeah. I'm going to pick out all these cookies that didn't break a little later on. But right now, I'm going to do a taste testing. So let me take a cookie, dip it into this chocolate cherry amaretto dip. So good. No double dipping. So anyway, I want to thank you all very much for coming along on this little journey with me. I have a lot of new subscribers, so thank you very much for coming on board. I'm going to try to do one more video before I have to go into the hospital for my surgery. My surgery will be a week from today. So I'm going to try to get a couple more videos in before that. And the cameraman is threatening to do what in the hospital, cameraman?
Film your recovery and the surgery, not in that order.
That will be a sight for sore eyes. So anyway, if you liked what you saw today, you think you're going to like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little subscribe button down below. When it turns gray, you're a subscriber. That silly little bell next to it, bing, hit the bell. That's the only way you're going to get a notification. that I have a new video up. Otherwise, I'm going to get lost in YouTube land. And I love comments. Hit the thumbs up button, make a comment, and I hope to see you very soon. But most of all, come back. All right. Toodles!